Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Hello everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, it was my BEAUTYCON haul. I had so much fun and I want to thank my Aunt Tammy and my mom. It was my second year going and yeah, I just had a great time. So in today's video, I wanted to do a little haul of showing you guys everything that I got from BEAUTYCON and also trying some stuff out. I'm going to be doing like a haul and then a first impressions at the same time. We'll figure it out how this video is going to go. But I feel like I'm going to do the makeup tutorial first with some of the products, and then after that's done, I'll show you the rest of the products. It'll make more sense later, but yeah. Also, I wanted to clear this up. I got a lot of questions last year because I did go last year, and you guys were wondering what wristband I had. I had the talent wristband, which means I could go to the talent lounge, and in the talent lounge they give out free samples of like makeup, skincare, hair products. So that's what all the products you're about to see, that's from the talent lounge. But yeah, I just got a lot of questions on like what wristband I had, so just to clear that up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also thank you so much for 400k. I appreciate all the support and I just love you guys so much. Now onto the video. Alright, so this is the first impressions makeup tutorial portion of this video. I did put on some foundation, just a light BB cream, just to have a nice base because I didn't get a foundation from BEAUTYCON. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I have two shades. They gave me $3.90 for my concealer shade and then $400 for my contour shade. And I don't even know if this is the right shade. The workers, okay, yeah, that's kind of dark. The workers that were at the L'Oreal booth, they kind of just said pick your shade and then we'll give it to you. So I didn't really get shade matched. So, yeah. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It's a little darker than my foundation, but it's okay. I don't know if it's the concealer, but I feel like my skin doesn't look that smooth. I don't know why, but the product blends really nice. It just, I feel like my skin doesn't look that flattering right now, but we'll see with other products. I put some bronzer over it and I think it looks a little bit better. I think a big factor of it not looking that good is it's not really my shade. But again, the product's really nice and it blends out easily. Our next product is a powder. This is the Dermablend Professional Illuminating Banana Powder. This is really cool because I have a few translucent like loose setting powders, but I don't have any banana colored ones. And the worker at the Dermablend booth said that banana powders are usually good for everyone's skin tones. I'm gonna use this under my eyes just to set the concealer. Oh my god. I just got powder all over my arm. Be careful with loose powder. It gets really messy like this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Guys, okay, I'm gonna take a picture of my leg right now. Look what I just did. Now this is off to a great start. I'm also gonna put some right here just to make the bronzer look a little cleaner. So the powder is on. I like it a lot. It definitely set my concealer really nicely. But now I'm gonna do my blush and brows and then I'll be right. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I actually got a lot of eyeshadow palettes from BEAUTYCON. I'm going to be using the ones that I'm most excited about. Guys, they were giving out Huda Beauty palettes. Holy cow. They were giving out Desert Dusk as well as the Rose Gold Remastered palette. And when I saw them, I was so shocked because I didn't think they were gonna give out free Huda Beauty palettes. But yeah, I'm going to be using one of them. I don't know which one to use. The Desert Dusk one definitely has more like bold colors, and then the Rose Gold palette is more neutral. So I think I'm gonna go with Desert Dusk, even though they're both so pretty. I have no idea what look I'm going for, but we're going to be using the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna mix Eden and Amber, and then put that in my crease. I'm gonna use Blazing next. And I'm gonna put it on like my outer lid, so like over here. Oh my god, I like barely tapped my eye. It's super pigmented. Alright, I'm gonna make this look really simple. Do a cut crease and then put a shimmer on my lid and we'll call it a day. But I'm gonna take the concealer again and just cut my crease real quick. I'll do a half cut. Then I'm gonna use this color. I feel like I can't not use this color, like it's just calling out to me. It's called Twilight, and then I'm gonna put that on my lid. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, look at my eye. I feel like it's a little harsh because it's not really blended together. So I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Amethyst, and then put it in the middle just to blend it together. Here's the eyeshadow. I think it's super cute, and now we can move on to eyeliner. This is from LA Girl. It's the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. It's just in black, but I'm going to line my lid. I'm not going to do like a crazy wing or anything. Oh wow, I really like it. Moving on to mascara, I have two products that I want to try. This is Milani. It's a lash primer. It's like a violet. It looks like this. It's so cool. It goes on purple, and then you put mascara over it, and it's supposed to make your mascara stay on. And then this is the mascara I'm gonna use. They're giving out the Maybelline Colossal sample size, and it's super cute. And I really like the shape of the wand. This is how the lash primer looks. Oh my god, look how cool. And here are how the lashes look. I definitely really like the combo. Now we're going to move on to highlighter. Ulta was giving out these sample bags, and there's just a bunch of products in them. And then in this bag, I got some highlighters, and I'll show you guys what other products are in here later. But for highlighter, these are from Elsie, and I have two colors. I don't know which one I want to use yet. This one is called Soul. And also look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't even want to use it. Like, I don't want to mess it up. And then this one is Luna. Luna has more of a pink undertone, and then Soul has more of a gold undertone. So I think I want to go with Soul. Oh my gosh! I'm putting it on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and then also in my inner corner. For lips, I'm using the Balm's Creamy Lip Stain in Namaste. Is that the color? Okay, I think it's in Namaste, but this came in a pack of 3. I'll actually show you guys. Full-size creamy lip stains. They're super cute. Okay, but this one's like a berry color, and I think it would be really cute with this eye look. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It smells good, too. It smells like mints. Oh wow, okay, I really like this color. And the last step is spray. So I'm using this LA Girl shimmer spray, and guys, look. Oh my gosh. You like shake it, and then it gets all shimmery and stuff. I think it's super pretty. It says you can use this for your face, your body, and it's a finishing spray. There we go. Okay, I'm having way too much fun. And here is the finished makeup. It's super fun, colorful, and poppy, and all the products were super nice. I think it actually turned out pretty good. Now that the makeup tutorial is done, I'm going to do the rest of the haul and show you guys the other products that I got. So it's going to go makeup, skincare, hair, and then like perfume and scents, which I only have like 2 perfumes, but you get the point. First, we have makeup. Like I mentioned, Ulta was giving out these bags, and then there's a bunch of samples in here. So not only were the highlighters in there, but then we have this palette from Zoeva. I think it's Zoeva or Zoeva. I think Zoeva. It's just like a mini eyeshadow palette, and it's super cute. Like, look how cute that is. This is a mascara from Grande, and I really like the packaging. I've never seen a mascara look like that. But this is what the wand looks like. It looks very nice. These I'm pretty excited for. I guess Kendall Jenner has like a teeth whitening brand or something. I don't know. It's called Moon, but it says Kendall Jenner right there. This is a teeth whitening pen, and these are charcoal toothpaste. I guess this is considered skincare, but this is a balm. This is a healing skin balm, and it says you should put it on affected areas. So I guess it's like for like problem areas and stuff. And then the last thing in that pouch is a little perfume sample. This is Ariana Grande's Thank You Next perfume, and it smells super good. And that is what's in this Ulta bag. Oh, girl. Next we have Glossier. If you saw the vlog, they were giving out free Glossier stuff at the booths that everyone could go to. There's 3 products in here. They gave out a lid star, and this one's in fawn, and then also these 2 lippies. Those are the colors right here. Next, LA Girl was giving out some stuff. I used the eyeliner and then the spray from LA Girl, and it also came in this bag. But look how nice this bag is. You could honestly use it as a pencil case. There's also a mascara. This is called Get Feverish, mauves and browns. There's a lip liner and then a lip gloss. Next, I got some other things from Milani other than the mascara primer. They also gave away this mascara, 2 eyeliners, one in black and then one in gray. I think these are their new ones, I'm pretty sure. This is their Gilded Ember. Like, look at those colors. And then this one's Gilded Violet. And then, of course, the Huda Beauty palettes, but we already talked about those. Then we have 2 lippies from Rude Cosmetics. This first one is a moisturizing lip oil. I tried this out. It kind of smells like coconut strawberries. If you put it on, it kind of looks like a lip gloss, but it's not sticky. They also gave away these lipsticks. But here's the thing, they're like dark purple, like almost black. Then we have 3 products from Rimmel London. This is the Lash Accelerator Mascara. It's very voluminizing, and then also it's supposed to help your lashes grow, which is super cool. And then these are eyeliner like shadow things. You can put it on as an eyeliner, or you could put it on your eye and then blend it, and then it's like an eyeshadow. Next, this is from Deck of Scarlet, and it's a glitter eyeliner, so it's super pretty. It's in the shade Sparkler. These 2 are lip glosses from Revlon. Wait, I think we went through all the makeup. Cool. Okay, now we're moving on to skincare. First, I'll start off with Bioderma. They were giving out these full boxes as well as their makeup wipes, and they're known for their micellar water, which is like to take off your makeup. And then this is a soothing cream, and then that's an eye contour gel. Oh, this is super cool. Now we have the brand called Suave. They gave out this whole box, and then this whole pack of face masks. Oh. It's just a bunch of skincare. We have a cleansing foam, mist, emulsion, eye cream, serum, and moisturizing cream. Look at that stack. And then I'm super excited to use these. It's like the lip mask you put on top of your lips, and you like leave it on for like 15 minutes, but I don't know, I've never tried this out, so I definitely probably will. And then yeah, just a bunch of face masks that I can do with my friends. This is the brand OK. They were giving out multitasking buffing pads. It's like a box of these pads, and you kind of just like buff it into your skin, and it's supposed to like refine your skin. Next, we have this Yes To mud mask. It's a unicorn mud mask. Like, how fun is that? And then the packaging, so fun. This is from Dermablend. I got the powder from them, and then also this. It's a makeup dissolver, and it's to remove your makeup. This is from 107, and it's a face cleanser, so it looks like this. The packaging is really nice, like it's like matte. And the last skincare product I got is from Shea Moisture. This is the Glow Getter Pressed Serum Moisturizer. Kind of looks like a scrub, but when you actually feel it, it's smooth. Now we have hair. First, I got some shampoo and conditioner. This is from Renpure. They also gave away these takeout dry shampoo sheets. So they're just sheets, and if you go like this, it's basically dry shampoo. Speaking of dry shampoo, I also got this dry shampoo from Aveda, and it's a powder. Like you go, oh my god, I didn't know it was open. If you squeeze it, powder comes out, and then you kind of just like pack it in, and it looks like dry shampoo. I don't know if like powder's a trend in hair right now, but this one is Big Volume from Marc Anthony, and it's another powder. So you go like this, powder comes out, and then you like go like that to your hair. This is from Pravana. It's a polish and reunite. It's for your split ends, so like just to keep your hair healthy and stuff. Next, we have the Main Choice. This is a hair mask, and I really want to use this. I've never like put a mask to my hair, but it smells so good. This leave-in conditioner shea butter from Cantu. And the last product for hair is this Garden of Life Collagen Beauty like supplement thingy. You put it in smoothies or like with water, and it's supposed to help with your hair, skin, and nails. And the last 2 things are perfume. So this is a brand called Scentbird, and you just like twist it like that, and you just like spray it, and it came in this bag, which is really nice. Okay, and the last product of this whole haul is this from Mugler Source, and it's perfume. Like, look at the shape of that. Like, I could literally poke someone's eyes out. That is the end of this haul. That is the end of this video. My room is such a mess right now. Here, I'll show you guys. Like, there's just, everything's not even, like at the beginning of this video, I organized everything, but now it's just all over the place. I just want to say I'm so grateful for everything that I got, and that I could go to BeautyCon. I have so much fun every year, and I just love spending time with my aunt and my mom, and I'm super thankful for all of these products. And I'm also thanking you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I've been posting 2 times a week for the summer, but sadly it might be coming to an end because school is starting soon. Go subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and also like this video because you can't comment on my channel anymore, and it's super sad, but it's okay. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah.